This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get to the voice chat settings on your PlayStation 5. So if you want to go ahead and adjust your microphone or change some of the settings, allow your voice to be shared, well, there's two different ways that we can do this. The first way is by pressing the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then go on down to the game base and select this. Then under here we want to go to the options button on our controller. So let's press options. Now go to the game base. Then under here we can see friends, parties, messages, and we want to go over to game base settings. Then scroll on down. And the first option is actually voice chat settings. And we can adjust the microphone level under here. If we have microphone plugged in, go ahead and test this out and see if it works. And then we can go on back. We have mute game voice chat. We can turn this on or off. We can share a voice, and this is probably one of the settings that you're looking for. Select allow to include your voice in other players' broadcasts and view clips when you're in a party. So we can see that there, chat's transcript, and we can go ahead and turn this on, convert the voice of players in parties and game voice chat to text so you can read it or have it read out loud. So we can also go to voice chat connection auto or server only, about voice chat moderation, or about share features. Right here you can read up on that. So these are just the different settings for the voice chat. If this video did indeed help you out, if it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.